So David, ZCC Cutting Tools, you're continuing to grow in the UK, but perhaps for the engineers that don't know of your company, you can give us a little brief introduction.
Yeah, ZCC Cutting Tools, the largest cutting tool manufacturer in China, established in Europe since 2003, and now entering a phase of development in the UK market.
So in terms of global market, how big are you? Have you got money behind you to grow the business?
Definitely, yeah, we're part of the Minmetals Group, multinational corporation, one of the 10th largest companies in China, turning over 56 billion US dollars annually.
And in terms of products, I can see on your stand you've got turning, milling, drilling.
Yeah.
Do you do everything?
Full complement, like I said, through drilling, milling, indexable and solid carbide, through to composite tools, micro drilling, etc.
And we're at your highlight stand here, so talk us through some of the highlights.
Yeah, this is just, we focus on highlighted products. We got our multiple edged milling bodies, fast feed, solid carbide. Our standard aluminium solid carbide product comes now with DLC coating, right the way through to our new mini turn range, which is expansion of our Swiss turning product.
And is any of this factored, or everything you sell do you actually manufacture?
Everything we sell, we manufacture. Everything we bring to market, we manufacture ourselves, yeah.
And in terms of the carbide, whose carbide do you use?
Our own. Yeah, we a single source. That's the beauty of our product. We come to market. The Minmetals Group control 87% of the resource globally, and yeah, so we single source, and that's as you can see from our stand, we got everything in our hand.
So is it fair to say, if it's your carbide, you're producing these tools, A, you can keep on top of cost?
Yes.
And more importantly, you can keep on top of quality?
Of course, yeah. By being single source, we come to market with a quality, high-end quality product at a very cost-effective price.
And what's your favourite product? Well, I don't mean yours. What is your best-selling product?
Two of my favourites in particular is our fast feed range. Our indexable fast feed range, in my opinion, is the best on the market. It's the most aggressive.
Fast feed meaning high feed?
Yeah, of course, high feed milling. It's the most aggressive on the market, and the only limitation it has is the machines. We run in these anything up to 18 metres. And then another product I like, and I think is a really good product, high-end product, is our long series solid carbide drilling, up to 30 times D with full coolant.
Wow, and I hear a lot about your coloured turning inserts.
Yes,
well,
yeah.
What's the idea? It's not a gimmick, is it?
No, definitely not. We was approached by some high-level automotive manufacturers to reduce carbide waste recycling costs. So through a program of identification, we realised that all the edges weren't being used, the wrong inserts were being vended. So we came up with a product called Simply Coloured. So we put a coloured ceramic coating on the inserts for wear identification and material identification, and we saving customers 32% on recycle costs.
That's a great idea. So if it's a cast iron grade, it might be red. If it's stainless, it'll be yellow.
Yeah, exactly. On the around the hole on the inserts, we got a colour band. So yellow stainless steel, for example, and then we got our different colours for your hardness, the toughness values on the edge. So every edge is being used, and the correct inserts are being vended.
Do you know what? I wish I'd thought of that. So it's so simple, so simple. So we're here at MACH 2018. I've got to say, your stand is vast. 2020 is just around the corner. Do you think you'll come back?
Definitely, the stand has been booked. It's going to be 5 square metres bigger again, and then yeah, we're just going to continue growing in the UK.